This video teaches you how to add a data chart to your Microsoft Word document. Inserting a graph. Click in the document where you want to insert your graph. Click the Insert tab. Click Chart. Click a chart format. A few common chart formats are line, column, and pie. Click a chart format. Click OK. Doing so will insert your chart into your document. You'll also see a small Excel window with cells appear. This is where you'll input your data. Click a cell in the Excel window. Doing so will select it, which will allow you to add a point of data to that cell. Press Enter. Doing so will enter your data into the cell, allowing you to move on to another cell. Repeat this process for every point of data you need. Anything written in an Excel cell can be rewritten to reflect your data. Click X in the top right corner of the Excel window. Doing so will close the window and save your graph changes. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.